Hi, everyone. I'm here to basically talk about a score sheet that is mostly used in interviews. Um, Disclaimer: I'm not an expert. I'm giving views that I will share here, personal experiences of being either a panel member or serving as an ANTO representative in a certain panel. So I have almost about 19 years of teaching experience. I'm serving at grade 6 right now, grade 6 level. I've sat in a couple of interviews and I've picked a few things that people normally make when they come for interviews, and that is not understanding the score sheet. What I'll share here is basically for an entry level of a teacher. You can use it for promotional purposes, but I'm sharing basic for entry level of a teacher. Okay, in normal circumstances, the first question that the panelists will ask you will be about job knowledge. Job knowledge, we basically referring to we have applied to become a teacher. Questions can come from, say, the score sheet, not the score sheet, but questions can come from your duty sheet. For example, we can ask you a question as, what are the core duties of a teacher? And if you are employed, how will you implement them? Then you need to understand this question carries about 25 marks. So you need to know to do justice to the question by having at least 5 points, explain these points, and give an example. Yeah? Say, for example, you can approach it by saying one of the duties of a teacher is planning. Uh, Planning involves getting the right materials, making sure that you write a lesson plan on the format prescribed or provided by the school that contains all the components. I'll make sure that I understand all the components of the lesson plan. I'll make sure that every time before I go to class, I'm well prepared. Yeah? Um, for example, yeah, you can now give an example of, yeah,